Now we solve this fifth sum of 5a, that is which is greater. Which is greater, whether this 2 raised to 3 is greater or 3 raised to 2 is greater. Here 2 raised to 5 is greater or 5 raised to 2 is greater. 4 raised to 3 is greater or 3 raised to 4 is greater. 5 raised to 4 or 4 raised to 5. Now for solving this, to find out which is greater, you have to solve, you have to multiply. So let us see how we can find first sum. Whether 2 raised to 3 is greater or 3 raised to 2 is greater. So now 2 into 2 is 4 and 2 into 4 into 2 is 8. 2 into 2 into 2 3 times. So here 2 into 2 4, 4 2s are 8. Here you have to find out 3 into 3. 3 into 3 is 9. So which is greater, 8 or 9? 9 is greater. So here 3 raised to 2 is greater. So here you write 2 raised to 3 and this is 3 raised to 2. 3, this is greater than 2 raised to 3. Now next sum, whether 2 raised to 5 is greater or 5 raised to 2 is greater. Let's see, let's solve. 2 raised to 5 or 5 raised to 2 is greater. Now you write 2 5 times 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Here 5 you write 2 times, 5 into 5. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32. So this is 32 and this is 25. So now whether 32 is greater or 25, naturally 32 is greater. So you write 2 raised to 5 and this is 5 raised to 2. 2 raised to 5 is greater than 5 raised to 2. Now next sum, this was second sum, 5 second sum, and next we write 5 third sum, 5 third sum, 5 third sum. Now this is 4 raised to 3 or 3 raised to 4. Which is greater? Again you write 4 into 4 into 4 3 times. And this 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 4 times. Now 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64, 6 4s are 24, 2 carry, 1 4s are 4, 5, 6. So this is 64, 64. Now let us solve this. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. 27 into 3, 7 3s are 21, 2 carry, 6, 3 2s are 6, plus 2, it is 8. So now this value 3 into 3 into 3, 4 times is 81. It is 81. So which is greater? Naturally 81 is greater. So 4 raised to 3 is lesser than 3 raised to 4. So this is how it has to be done. Now fourth sum, 5 raised to 4 or 4 raised to 5. So let us solve this fourth sum. This is fourth sum, fifth fourth sum, 5 raised to 4 or 4 raised to 5. 5 raised to 4, you multiply 4 times 5 into 5 into 5. And 4 you multiply 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 times 4, 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 raised to 4, 4 raised to 5. Now 5 into 5, 5 into 5. 25 into 25. It is, if you multiply 25 into 25, it comes to 625. This you try to memorize. 25 into 25 is 625. You will come across many times, so it's better to memorize this. 25 into 25 is 625. Now let us multiply this. 4 4s are 16. 4 4s are 16. 1 4 is remaining. Now this also you memorize. It is 16 into 16 is 256. 256. 256 into 4. Now you multiply this 256. This 2 you memorize. 25 into 25 is 625. 16 into 16 is 256. Now you multiply this 256 into 4. 6 4s are 24. 2 carry. 5 4s are 20. Plus 2 is 22. 2 carry. 4 2s are 8. 9 10. 1 0 2 4. So when you multiply 256 into 4, it is 1024. Now this value you have got 625. So which is greater? Naturally 1024 is greater. So it is 5 raised to 4 or 4 raised to 5. This is greater. Now 6, express each in exponential form. What is exponential form? 2 raised to 3 is exponential. 3 raised to 2 is exponential. So we have to find this number, have to put in this form. See, let us see how we can put. Now 6, first sum, that is 512 has to be written in exponential form. So for writing in exponential form, you have to factorize. So you can either factorize vertically or horizontally. So let us see how we can factorize vertically. 512. So now 2 you start with 2. 2 2s are 4. So you write 2. 1 is remaining. 11 is remaining. So 5s are 10. Now again 1 is remaining with this. So it becomes 12. 2 6 are 12. So here now you get 256. Again you divide by 2. 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. 1 is remaining. 1 6. That is 8. 16. 2 8s are 16. Now again you can divide by 2. Here you can write 2 6 are 12. 2 4s are 8. Again you can divide by 2. 3s are 6. 2s are 4. Again by 2. 2 1s are 2. And 1 12. That is 6. Again you can divide by 2. That is 16. 8 2s are 16. Again you can divide by 2. 2 4s are 8. Again you can divide by 2. 2. Now 2 here ultimately 2 1s are 2. So you here now it is over. You count the number of 2. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. It is 2 raised to 9. So you can write 2 raised to 9 here. This is the answer. You can factorize vertically, you can factorize horizontally also. So let us see how we can do horizontally. Learn both the methods, whichever you find it convenient. Now horizontally you can divide this 512 by 2. 2 2s are 4. Now 1 is remaining. 1 1 2 is remaining. 2 5s are 10. 1 and 2 12 is remaining. 2 6 are 12. Now you can write 2 into 256. 256. 2 into 256. Now you can either go on dividing by 2, or you better, as I've told you, you have to remember 16 into 16 is equal to 256. This you have to remember. So now if you can remember 256, you can write 2 into 16 into 16. Now further 2 and this 2 8s are. 2 8s are. Again here 2 8s are. Now here you have factorized up till now 2 into 2. Now 8 is 3 times 2. So you write 3 times 1, 2, 3. This 2 you write again, 8 you write 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Now you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So here you get 2 raised to 9. This is the answer. So for the 5, 1, 2 written in exponential form, it is 2 raised to 9. 2 raised to 9 base is 2 and exponent is 9. So this is exponential form, 2 raised to 9. Now let us do 6 second. 1, 2, 5, 0. 1, 2, 5, 0. Now 1, 2, 5, 0. Either you can do vertically or horizontally. Now this number can be written as 1, 2, 5. Whenever there is 0, try to multiply by 10. So that becomes easy for you to factorize. So now 125, you know it is 25 into 5 is 125. And then 10 you can write 2 into 5. Now here 25 you can write 5 into 5 into 5 into 2 into 5. Now 5 is how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 you can, whichever is the smaller number you have to write at the start. Now 5 you can write 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 raised to 4. So this 1, 2, 5, 0 written in exponential form. 2 into 5. 5 is the base and 4 is the exponent. So this is how it can be written. Now you can do it vertically also. Now next you see it is third sum. Third sum. Third sum. Sixth third sum. 1, 4, 5, 8. Now let us do vertically. 1, 4, 5, 8. 1, 4, 5, 8. You can start with 2, 2 7s are 14. 7 2s are 14. Now you can take 4. 2 2s are 4. 1 is remaining. 1 will go here. So 18 is remaining. 2 9s are 18. Now this number would not go by 2. So you start doing with 3. 3 2s are 6. 6. 1 is remaining. 12. 3 4s are 12. Now 3 3s are 9. So here you have got 2, 4, 3. Again it can be divided by 3. So here you know 3 8s are 24. 24. 3 1s are 3. So you get 81. Again it can be done by 3. 3 2s are 6. 21 is remaining. 3 7s are 21. So now you have got 27. 3 3 9s are 27. 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3. So now you have got how many 3? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now this you can write 2 into 3 raised to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is in exponential form 2 into 3 raised to 6. That is the 6 third sum. So now this is exponential form. 3 is the base and 6 is the exponent. This exponential form multiplied by 2, you get 1, 4, 5, 8. So this vertical method is easy to get the answer. Now fourth, sixth, fourth. Now fourth sum is 3600. Again, when there is 0, then horizontal method becomes easy because you know it is 36 into 100. Factorizing this is easy. 36 you can write 6 into 6 and 100 you can write 10 into 10. Then 6 you can factorize further, 3 into 2 into 3 into 2. Now 10 you can write 5 into 2 and this 10 you can write 5 into 2. 5 into 2. So now let us count. Now these are the basic factors. Let us count how many 2's. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is 2 raised to 4. How many 3's? 1, 2. 2 3's. Is 3 raised to 2. How many 5? 2 5's. So 5 raised to 2. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is included. This is included. This is included. So this is 6, 6, 4. It is 2 raised to 4, 3 raised to 2, 5 raised to 2. So this is in exponential form. 2 is the base, 4 is the exponent, 3 is the base, 2 is the exponent, 5 is the base, 2 is the exponent. So this is the 6/4 sum written in exponential form. Now we go to fifth sum. Fifth sum, 6/5 sum. So what is the question here? 135,0. So again you can write it as 135 into 10. Now this 135, since it has got 5 at the end, it can be divided by 5. So 135 you divide by 5. 5 2's are 10 and 35 is remaining. So 5 7's are 35. 35. So here you get 5 into 27. 35 you can write 5 into 27. So I can write it as 5 into 27. Now it is easy to factorize. You write 5. Now you know it is 3 9's up. 3 9's up. 3 9's are 27 and 10 you can write 5 into 2. Now this 5 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 2. Now let us bring all the 2. There's only 1 2, so bring at the start. 3 1 2 3. So 3 is 3 raised to 3. Now 5 is 2. So you write 5 raised to 2. So the answer of 6/5 is 6/5 is 2 into 3 raised to 3 into 5 raised to 2 in exponential form. 2 is the base here, is raised to 1 and 3 is the base and 3 is the exponent, 5 is the base, 2 is the exponent. So now this was fifth sum. Now let us do the sixth sum. Sixth sum. Now number which you have to find of the sixth sum is 1 1. Sixth sum is 1 1 7 6. Now here you can do this in vertical method. 1 1 7 6. Now 6 is divisible by 2, so it has to be divisible by 2. In the table of 2, 2 5's are 10. 1 is remaining, 17. So 16. 2 8's are 16. 1 is remaining, 16 5 8 8. Again you can divide by 2. 2 2s are 4. 18 is remaining. So it is 9s. 8 is remaining. 4s. Again you take 2. 2 1s are 2. 2 4s are 8. 1 4 is remaining. 7s. Now this will go by 7. 7 2s are 1s. Again 3 7s are, and then 7 1. Ultimately you got 1. So how many factors? 2 is 3 times, 7 is 2 times, and 3 is 1 time. So how are we going to write? 2 raised to 3 into 3. 3 is just raised to 1. You can write or you will not write. 7 how many times? 2. So 1, 1, 7, 6 in exponential form is 2 raised to 3, 3 raised to 1, and 7 raised to 2. So this is the answer for 6, 6. Now next we go to 7 sum. This is a bit different from this. Now you have learned how to write the number in exponential form. It's very easy, but you require a little bit of practice, and your table should be clear, and you should write patiently without making mistake. Now your 7th sum, it is given if A is equal to, now this is the substitution type of sum. If A is equal to 2, B is equal to 3. Find the value of first sum A plus B whole square. Now you know, if you substitute A as 2 and B as 3 raised to 2, naturally 2 plus 3 is 5, and 5 raised to 2 is 25. So this is the answer for 7 first. It is just substitution, very simple. A is 2, B is 3, and square them and you get 25 as the answer. Now this value remains the same. Instead of minus, it is plus. For plus, now you have minus, but it is B minus A. B minus A whole square. B minus A, it is raised to 3. It is raised to 3. Exponent is 3 here. Substitution inside here, B minus A, you substitute 3 minus 2 raised to 3. Now 3 minus 2 is 1, and 1 with any exponent, still it remains 1. So 1 is the answer. Now third, 7th, third, 7th, third. In third, you have A into B. A into B raised to A. Now substitute. A is 2, B is 3, and A is 2. So 2 into 3 is 6, 6 square. Then 6 into 6 is 36. So answer after substitution is 36. Now 7 third is over. We go to 7 fourth. 7 fourth. Again this is substitution. 7 fourth is substitution. A into B raised to B. Now A you write, B you write, and multiply them, and raised to exponent is B, so substitute B, it is 3. Now 2 into 3 is 6, 6 raised to 3. Now 6 into 6 is 36, 36 into 6. Now you multiply this, 36 into 36, 6 is 36, 3 carry, 6 3 is 18, 19, 20, 21. So the answer you get is 216 after substitution. So fourth is 216. Now this 4 sums are over. We go to 8th sum. 8th sum. Now this 8th sum has to be expressed as power. Express 1024 as power of 2. So again this is, you have to make it in exponential form. 8 first sum, you have to make it into exponential form. Let us do it vertically. 1 0, it has to be in the form of 2 raised to something. What is something we have to find out? So 2 5s are 10, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Again you divide by 2, 2 2s are 4, 1 is remaining, 11 5s are, again 1 is remaining, 12 6 are. Again 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 1 6 is remaining, 128. 2 again 6 4. Again you divide by 2, 3 and 2. 2 here 16. Again you do 2 8. 2 4. 2 2. Again 2. And ultimately you get 1. So how many 2? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. So 8, 1, 1, 0, 2, 4 is 2 raised to 10. Exponent here is 10. Base, it has to be 2 is given. It has to be to the power of 2. So 2 is given. You just have to find the exponent. It is by factorization that you can find. It is 2 raised to 10 times is the answer 1024. So again, now this is the first sum. We have to do second, 8 second. Same thing we have to do, but here 8 second is 243 to the power of 7. 343, that you have to 343, it has to be the power of 7. So now let us factorize 343 by 7. Now you should know the table of 7. It is 7 4s are 28. So how much is remaining? 63. 9 49, you get 49. Again by 7 and you get 1. So here 7 into 7 49, 49 into 7 is 343. So 3 7s you have to multiply. So your exponent is 7 raised to 3. So you get this answer. So you multiply 7 3 times, you get 343. This is the second sum. Now let us do the third sum. In the third sum, it is 7 to 9 to the power of 3. 7 to 9. It has to be raised to the power of 3. So again you have to factorize 7 to 9. 3 in the table 81 and you get 7 to 9 by multiplying 3 how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you multiply 3 6 times, you get 7 to 9. So the exponent is 6. Base is 3, exponent is 6, and when you multiply 3 6 times, you get 7 to 9. So this is a third sum. This is how you can do vertical factorization. Now third, you do ninth sum. Ninth. Now ninth, it is 27 into 32. 27 into 32. And you have to find out xy, which is equal to what? 3 raised to x and 2 raised to y. So you have to find out x and y. So naturally you have to factorize 27. 3 into 9. 3 into 9, you can again write 3 into 3 into 3. So 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. Now here for 32 you can write 2 into 16. You can write 2 into 8. 8 is 3 times. 8 is 3 times 2. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32. So here it is 3 raised to 3 into 2 raised to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here you get x is equal to 3 and 2 is equal to 5. So this 9 sum x is 3 and y is 5. Y is equal to 5. So this is what you have got, this x as 3 and y x as 5. So this is 9th sum. Now we solve the 10th sum. We solve the 10th sum. 10th sum. Now 10th sum is 64. If 64 into 625. 64 into 625. Here it is, you have to find the value of A and B. You have to find the value of A and B. So here it is, if it is A 2 raised to A, 2 raised to A and 5 raised to B. So you have to find A and B. A and B. Now you have to factorize 64. You have to factorize 64. 2s are 32 and 2s are 16. 2s are 8. 2s are 4. 2s are 2 and 2 1. So how many times 64? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here it is 2 raised to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here you can write 8 is equal to 6. Now you have to find for 5. 625. Here you can start dividing by 5. 5 1s are 5 and 1, 2. 2s are 10. 10. Again 25. It is here 5s are 25. 5 1s are 5 and 1 is remaining. So 12, but you can go by 2, 10. Again 2 is remaining. 25, 5. So here again you can divide by 5. 5 2s are 10. 25 is remaining. 25. 5s are again 5s are 5s are again it is now 1. 5 1s are 5. So how many times 5? 1, 2, 3, 4. B is here 4. B is here 4 is equal to 4. So what we have to find here? Base is given, 2 is given, 5 is given. What we have to find the exponent. So what is the exponent? A is equal to 6. So A is equal to 6. What is the exponent here? B is equal to 4. B we got 4. So this was 10th first sum and now we will be doing second sum. Now here it is 2 raised to A, it is shifted 2 raised to B and you have to put the value. Now I have got the value of A and B. Now we have to substitute this value A and B and multiply it. So second sum is here 2 raised to B, 2 raised to B and into 5 raised to A. So what we had got, A is how much? A is equal to 6 and B is how much? Is equal to 4. So now 2 raised to B is 4 and 5 is A is 6. 5 raised to 6. From the previous sum you have already got A is equal to 6, B is equal to 4. So let us solve the next sum, that is 2 raised to B into 5 raised to A. Now Here B is 4, so it is 2 raised to 4 and A is 6, 5 raised to 6. Now let us solve it. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 4 times. Now 5, it is 6 times. 5, 5, 5, 5 into 5, it has become 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now let us multiply. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. So 16 into. Now let us multiply this. 5 into 5, 25. 25 into 25 into 25. Now you all know 25 into 25 is 625. So now I have to multiply 625 into, first it was 25 into 25, it is 625. Now 625 has to be multiplied by 25. 5 5s are 25, 2 carry, 5 2s are 10, plus 2 12, 1 carry, 6 5s are 30, it is 31. Now 5 2s are 10, 1 carry, 2 2s are 4, plus 1 5, 6 2s are 12. Now what I get is 5, 2, 6, 5, 1. Now this 1, 5, 6, 2, 5 I have to multiply by 16 to get the answer. 6 into 5, 5 into 6 is 30, 3 carry, 6 2s are 12, 13, 14, 15, 15, 1 carry, 6 6 are 36, 1 carry 37, 3 carry, 5 6 are 30, 33, 3 carry, 1 6 are 6, 7, 8, 9. Now here 5 1s are 5, 2 1s are 2, 6 1s are 6, 5, 1. Now let me add this. 0, 5 plus 5, 10, 1 carry, 7 plus 2, 9, 10, 1 carry, 6 plus 3, 9, plus 1, 10, 1 carry, 9 plus 1, 10, plus 5, 15, 1 carry, 1 plus 1, 2. 2, 5, 0, 0, 0, 0. So after multiplying, what you get the answer is equal to 2, 5, 0, 0, 0, 0. 4, 0. This is the answer. So here this has to be done in the rough work. You draw a margin and do this work, rough work in margin. Here in the answer you have to write this neatly. The answers, how the calculation has taken place. So you have substituted it and you have multiplied, and just memorize 25 into 25 is 625. So this you know, and then you multiply by 25, and whatever answer you get you multiply by 16. So you get 2, 5, 0, 0, 0. So this is the answer for 10 seconds. Bye bye.